Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IDEX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. Going to go ahead and get rid of that line. It served its purpose for now. But the first big update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, that $1.32 was an area of support, but now that the price broke down below it during that opening 30 minutes, you can see that, created quite a bit of downside pressure. Now, to give a little bit of credit where credit's due, at least the price bounced back upwards and then started to go sideways, as opposed to some sort of situation where that price broke and then it just did something like this the remainder of the day. So from that angle of things, yeah, I mean, it could have been a lot worse. I mean, it was a bearish day, don't get me wrong, but at least the price did show some, strength in the form of just going sideways rather than just continuing to bleed further and further the entire day. But point here being that if there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, $1.33 is going to be that initial level of resistance. And then next key overarching level to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average, currently valued at $1.47. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy at all other than the fact of just where did the bleeding stop today? Well, it stopped down at $1.25. So for that reason and that reason alone is why $1.25 will be important to watch going forward. So again, going into Wednesday, two main technical levels to watch: $1.32 as resistance, $1.25 as support. But yeah, overall, the trend remains very much so in the bear's favor. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.